Okay, welcome guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today on how to customize packet tracer. Now the Cisco packet tracer is launched. To get this, open file, click open, or save it and click this. Go to save, click on this and open. This is what I get it. So now next is if the network appears too small for you, you can zoom in and zoom out. Now notice that logical and physical buttons appear in a blue bar under the shortcut icons. So logical button is selected by default, but you need to look at physical equipment in the simulation. So click the physical button and that's what you get. Then you click on home city, then click on corporate office, then click on main wiring closet. Now take a close look at this router. Zoom in, you can see switch, two switch, one router and one rack. This entire route, this is power distribution device. So right click router, inspect front, and you get the hood. If you want to see it more, okay, this is the large image. Now close this. Now to inspect the logical view, click logical button. Now you can see there's a blue bar with controls that is located below the topical panel. So this bar displays the time your simulation has been running. Next to time display, you can see the power button cycle. So click this button to power up the cycle. So click yes to confirm. And then you can notice that the entire thing is red. So it takes time to move to a forwarding state. You can tell that this from this LED indicators that take time to transition from orange to green. You can speed up the convergence delays by fast forwarding. Fast forwarding. See, just fast forward. Now you can see it turns green. So now to begin making customization to how packet tracer process simulations and how it operates, go to preference window. The shortcut for opening the preferences on Mac is command plus R. If you are using Windows, then it is control plus R. Since I am using Mac, I press command plus R and the preference table is appeared. Now ensure the interface is selected. To always display the port table labels, select always show port labels in logical workspace checkbox. To turn off the LBIs, clear the short links, but for now I want it to be there. Or you can clear it. Okay, clear it. Now select the font tab where you can verify the font, color, scheme of a command line interface for network devices. So the default packet tracer font is quite small in CLI, that is command line interface. It is black text on a white background. So if you want to ensure that it has is instead of white font on a black background, then on the dialogues, change the font size to 20 points. Click here and then in a color area, change, ensure that router iOS test is white. White and then iOS background color text set to white black. Background set is to be black. Once you made the settings, click apply. Now select the miscellaneous. Notice that in a general you can control how often Cisco Packet Tracer automatically backs up your network simulation. Now the default is 0 F4. Now change it to 10 minutes. Now close the preference simulation. This is done for today on how to customize packet tracer.